Hello students, today we are going to start with our first topic, which is cell. So what is a cell? Cell is the basic structural unit of a life which is capable of doing all the biological activities of life. Now we will learn about different discoveries related to the cell. So first of all, Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered the cell in a slice of cork. So Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered cell in a slice of cork and named it as cellulae. What is the meaning of cellulae? Cellulae means compartments. Clear? Now next, Nemia grew in 1682, gave the concept of cell, and then later on Leeuwenhoek in 1683 discovered free cell like bacteria, protozoa, etc. So first of all, Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered the cell in a slice of cork, named it as cellulae, जिसका मतलब है compartment. Clear? Next, Nemia grew in 1682 give the concept of cell, and Leeuwenhoek in 1683 discovered free cell such as in bacteria and such as protozoa. Clear? Now next, Kotai in 1772 distinguished living material of the cell. Next is Robert Brown in 1831, who discovered nucleus of the cell. This is very important discovery. Robert Brown. So nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Plasma lemma is discovered by Schwann in 1838. The plasma lemma turned as cell wall by Nageli and Kramer in 1855. So now we will revise. So let's revise it. Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered the cell in a slice of cork and termed it as cellulae. So उन्होंने इसका नाम cellulae रखा, which means compartment. Then Nemia grew in 1682 give concept of cell. Then Leeuwenhoek in 1683 found living single cell such as bacteria and protozoa. Kotai in 1772 discovered living material in the cell, and then Perkins in 1839 termed it as protoplasm. And then Robert Brown in 1831 discovered nucleus. Schwann in 1838 discovered plasma lemma, which is termed as cell membrane by Nageli and Kramer in 1855. So plasma lemma को बाद में क्या नाम दिया गया? Cell membrane by Nageli and Kramer के द्वारा in 1855. Now we will do structure of the cell. So what is about structure of the cell? So cell is enclosed in a cell wall, which is the envelope of the cell. Okay. So cell wall is mainly present in plant cell, whereas in animal cell plasma membrane is present. So in all other cells plasma membrane is present. Clear? Now we will draw its structure and then we will learn each and every organelle one by one. Clear? So let's draw its structure. So students, this is the structure of a cell. So this is a typically plant cell. So one by one we will learn about its all organelles. Clear? So first of all, starting with the cell envelope. So we will start with the cell envelope. So what is cell envelope? Cell envelope is the thing which contain all the organelles and cytoplasm of the cell at its position. Okay, so starting with the cell envelope. So in cell envelope we have two things. First is cell wall and other thing is plasma membrane. So as you can see, what is cell wall? So this thing is a cell wall. This is also a cell wall. This is the adjacent cell walls of two different cells. Clear? And the layer which is surrounding all the organelles and the protoplasm in this is known as plasma membrane. Clear? So this thing is plasma membrane which is surrounding all these parts of the cell. Clear? And at central position we have the nucleus of the cell. So this is the nucleus of the cell. So now what about this nucleus? This is the control unit of the cell, जो सभी चीजों को कंट्रोल करता है एक सेल की. ठीक है? So in cell envelope we have two things, cell wall and plasma membrane. Clear? Now what are the different parts of the nucleus? So first of all we are going to start with this thing. So there is a pore present between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. This pore is known as nuclear pore of this nucleus. Clear? And this lining is known as nuclear envelope, which is enveloping the nucleus. And then we have given, which is associated with the nucleus, this is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, which is present with nucleus or nuclear envelope. Clear? Now next thing is the center. At the center we have given this, the nucleolus. These are the opening which are known as plasmodesma. Clear? Now what is this thing? This is known as mitochondria of the cell. In mitochondria ATP is produced. So this is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell because ATP is produced here. Then what is this thing? This and this one. So this is the thing which is known as chloroplast, in which chlorophyll is present. I have told you this thing which is endoplasmic reticulum. So there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is on which we have given these dots. So these dots are known as ribosomes. So वो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम जो राइबोसोम के साथ है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. Along with this we have endoplasmic reticulum which is without ribosome, जो राइबोसोम के बिना है. ठीक है? So that thing is present here. This is known as SCR, means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So all these are the part of a cell. Now this thing is left behind. So what is this? This is the vacuole. This thing is known as vacuole. Vacuole is the cavity which contains sap. So these two are the vacuoles, and in the vacuole we have given sap. So this is the sap which is present in the enclosed vacuole. Clear? Now next is this lining of the vacuole. This lining of the vacuole is known as tonoplast. Tonoplast is the membrane of the vacuole. So all these are the organelles and the part of a particular cell. Let's take a recap. So first of all, mitochondria. Mitochondria is looking like this. So this is the mitochondria. This is the structure of the mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. Clear? Next is cell wall. So cell wall is the particular feature of the plant cell. जो plant cell होते हैं उसमें cell wall present होती है, but in animal cell wall is not present. So this is the characteristic feature of the plant cell in which cell wall is present. Clear? Next is in between the cell wall, this thing is known as middle lamella. Middle lamella. Clear? So in between the cell wall, this thing is known as middle lamella. Next thing is plasma membrane, which is enclosing all the organelles and the cytoplasm in this. जो ये सारा मटेरियल है जिसमें सारी ऑर्गेनेल्स प्रेजेंट हैं, इज नोन एज साइटोप्लाज्म. सो दिस थिंग इज नोन एज साइटोप्लाज्म इन विच ऑल ऑर्गेनेल्स आर प्रेजेंट. ओके, वन थिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट हियर कि जो प्लांट सेल है उसमें न्यूक्लियस एट द सेंटर भी हो सकता है और एट द साइड भी हो सकता है. इफ अगर जो वैक्यूल है अगर वो सेंटर में प्रेजेंट है तो उसका जो न्यूक्लियस वो होगा वो एक साइड पे होगा. क्लियर? इफ central vacuole is present, then nucleus will be present at the side of the cell in the cytoplasm. Clear? Next is nuclear pore, which is the pore which connect the nucleus to the surrounding cytoplasm. So nuclear pore, the function of nuclear pore is it connects cytoplasm with the nucleus. Okay? Next is nuclear envelope. So we know that what is envelope. What is the function of envelope? Envelope enclose this nucleus, so it surrounds the nucleus. Next is plasmodesma. So what is plasmodesma? Plasmodesma is the opening of cell wall. So all these openings are known as plasmodesma. Now coming to the chloroplast. So I will make here the chloroplast. So as you can see, chloroplast is looking like this, and then you have given a structure like this. So these are the granules of the chloroplast, and whole this thing is known as chloroplast. These all are the organelles of the plant cell. Clear? Now we have learned about a plant cell. ठीक है, हमने plant cell के बारे में थोड़ा पढ़ लिया है, उसकी जर्नल स्ट्रक्चर, थोड़े से उसके organelles etc. Now we will take the second thing, that's right, which is animal cell. So now we will do प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल कंपैरिजन. सो अब हम प्लांट सेल और एनिमल सेल का कंपैरिजन करेंगे. ठीक है, सो लेट्स ड्रॉ द फिगर ऑफ आवर एनिमल सेल. So this is the structure of animal cell. Now we will compare plant cell and animal cell. Okay. First of all, these are the microvilli which are present in the animal cell. So microvilli are present in the animal cell, but as you can see, there is no microvilli. Okay. Next we have this thing is the cilium of the cell, and this thing is the blepharoplast. This is the Golgi body of the animal cell. This is the Golgi body of the animal cell. So as you can see, Golgi body is present in both these things. Golgi body is present here in the animal cell, and Golgi body is present here in the plant cell. So Golgi body is present in both animal and plant cell. Now next thing is mitochondria. As you can see, mitochondria is present here and here. So mitochondria is present in both the cell, because we know what is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. So mitochondria provide energy to the cell. So energy is needed in both animal and plants. Next thing we have given centrioles. Centriole is mainly present in this. So this is the centriole which is present in animal cell. These hair-like structures are known as desmosome, which are present in the animal cell. Okay, and these are the vesicles, which are of round shape. All these are the vesicles. Vesicles are also present in both animal and plant cell. Clear? Now next is endoplasmic reticulum, which is present in both plant cell and animal cell. So endoplasmic reticulum दो तरह के हैं, जिसपे राइबोसोम प्रेजेंट है. These dotted structure is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and there is also present smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So where there is no presence of ribosome is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? This thing is the part of the cilia. This thing. So these are the structure which is known as secretory vesicles. So these are the vesicles. These are also the vesicles, but these are known as secretory vesicles. Now coming to the nucleus. So as you can see, the outer membrane of nucleus is nuclear enveloped. Okay. Then next we have given this central is nucleosome. So this is the nucleosome. So nucleosome is present in both plant cell and animal cell. So this is the central nucleosome, and this is the nuclear envelope, and here is also nuclear envelope is present. Clear? Next is nuclear pore. Pore of the nucleus envelope. So nuclear pore is also present in animal cell. So this is the nuclear pore. As you can see, endoplasmic reticulum is associated with nuclear envelope and also associated with this plasma membrane. Okay. One thing which is most important, which is distinguish the plant cell and animal cell, you can see here is the cell wall present, but here only plasma membrane is present. So this thing is known as plasma membrane. Clear? So here only plasma membrane is present, but here cell wall is also present. So this is the basic difference of plant cell and an animal cell. Clear? And these thread-like structure which is present in the nucleus is known as chromatin. So this thing is known as chromatin. Next important difference between plant cell and animal cell is, as you can see, there are large vacuoles are present in the plant cell, but as you can see there is no vacuole or very minute vacuoles are present. कि जो animal cell है उसमें या तो vacuole नहीं होंगे, either they will be very small. Vacuole क्या होंगे? बहुत छोटे होंगे. ठीक है? So now we will differentiate plant cell and animal cell. So first of all, first difference is of cell wall. So cell wall is present in plant cell. Cell wall is present in plant cell, but cell wall is absent in animal cell. Next is the plant cells are fused by middle lamella. कि जो plant cell हैं वो middle lamella के through जुड़े होते हैं. ठीक है? But in animal cell the cells are fused by junction. Like this is the first cell, this is the second cell. So there is junctions are present. Okay, in plant cell there are present middle lamella. Clear? So like this portion between the cell is middle lamella. So cells are fused by middle lamella. Clear? Third point of plant cell is tissue fluid is absent. Tissue fluid is absent in plant cell, but here tissue fluid is present, means these are the cells and these are continuously present in the tissue fluid. Okay, so all around the cell there are present tissue fluid. यहाँ पे सभी सेल है और सेल के बीच में टिश्यू फ्लूइड प्रेजेंट. प्लास्टिड्स आर प्रेजेंट in plant cell. Plastids are present, and then chloroplast is also present, because we know photosynthesis occurs in plant cell, but as you see in animal cell neither plastid and nor chloroplast is present. कि उसमें ना तो chloroplast present है और ना ही plastid present है. Next point we have food reserve is starch. What is food reserve? और food reserve क्या चीज है? जब अगर फूड प्रोवाइड नहीं हो रहा सेल को तो उस समय वो फूड रिजर्व का यूज करते हैं, ठीक है। सो जो फूड रिजर्व है वो प्लांट्स में कौन सा होता है, स्टार्च होता है। सो फूड रिजर्व ऑफ प्लांट सेल इज स्टार्च। इन एनिमल सेल द फूड रिजर्व इज ग्लाइकोजन। जो एनिमल सेल है उसमें फूड रिजर्व कौन सा है, ग्लाइकोजन। जो इसमें न्यूक्लियस है वो इलिप्टिकल है, पूरा राउंड शेप नहीं है, ठीक है। बट इन एनिमल सेल द न्यूक्लियस इज राउंड शेप। सो न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एनिमल सेल इज राउंड while nucleus of this is elliptical, not in perfectly round shape. So this is the size or shape of the nucleus in plant cell. Next point is Golgi body is present in different units में present होती है, that is why this is known as dictyosome. So Golgi body of plant cell is known as dictyosome because present in different units. Whereas in animal cell all the parts of Golgi body are united. So this is known as Golgi complex. So Golgi body is known as Golgi complex in animal cell क्योंकि इसमें जो Golgi bodies हैं वो सारी united होती है, इकट्ठी होती हैं, ठीक है। Centriole are absent. Centriole are absent in plant cell, but in animal cell centriole is present. कि जो इसमें centrioles हैं वो present है, ठीक है। Next, the difference between plant and animal cell is the spindle formation is anestral. Spindle formation of plant cell is anestral type. Whereas in animal cell this is astral type. This is the thing which we will study in the division of cells. ठीक है कि जब स्पिंडल फॉर्मेशन कब होती है, जब सेल डिवाइड करते हैं। सो उसमें एनेस्ट्रल और एस्ट्रल टाइप के होते हैं। एस्ट्रल मीन्स लाइक अ स्टार एंड एनेस्ट्रल मीन विच इज नॉट लुकिंग लाइक अ स्टार। सो इसमें एस्ट्रल टाइप की स्पिंडल फॉर्मेशन होती है और इसमें एनेस्ट्रल टाइप की स्पिंडल फॉर्मेशन होती है इन प्लांट सेल। क्लियर? लाइसोसोम्स आर लेस कॉमन इन प्लांट सेल। जो लाइसोसोम्स है वो ज्यादा प्रेजेंट नहीं होते प्लांट सेल में, बट इन एनिमल सेल लाइसोसोम्स आर प्रेजेंट इन अबंडेंस, बहुत ज्यादा मात्रा में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, ठीक है। सो लाइसोसोम्स आर प्रेजेंट इन अबंडेंस इन एनिमल सेल. So this is the general difference between plant cell and animal cell, and we have done general account of plant cell and animal cell. ठीक है कि इसके बारे में हमने जनरल पढ़ लिया है, ठीक है। In next video what we will do each and every organelle in detail. Clear है? So in next videos we will do all organelles in detail. So हर एक पार्ट को डिटेल में स्टडी करेंगे. So this is the general account of type of cell, animal cell and plant cells. Thank you.